What's up, everybody? Zach here, Unusual Geek. We're gonna do a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Smart Display from, Lenovo. Has the Google Assistant built in, so let's get on it. Let's get this little tape off. And there you have it. This is the Smart Display from Lenovo. This is the 8-inch model, which measures about 142 millimeters by 263 millimeters, about 12.5 millimeters thick from one side to the left side, which is a little bit thicker. It goes up to about 111 millimeters, weighs about 2 pounds. And I have the what they call the gray color. Looks white, but anyhow, so it has a microphone mute button, a camera shutter, and a volume button rocker, if you want to call it. Processor is the Qualcomm Home Hub platform. It's a Snapdragon 624. It's an octa-core, 1.8 gigahertz. Also has two full-range speakers with passive tweeters, and they're about 10 watt each. Also has a 2x2 dual microphone. The RAM is about 2 gigs, and it has about 4 gigs of internal storage. So as I said, pretty much as you've seen in the box, there's nothing in the box, just a couple books, AC adapter, and the actual display. Actually feels it's not even because of that base on the bottom. Feels weird, like I don't know, like uneven, but it looks cool though once it's down. Display size, like I said, is 8 inches. It's an IPS display, 1280 by 800, and has an 86 wide angle rotating view. The front camera is a 5 megapixel wide angle, and you can actually do video calls on it. They only go to 720p, so you know it's not something you'd expect out of this machine. For connectivity, you have Wi-Fi, of course, and Bluetooth, and that's about it. Price for this is $199. You can buy it at Lenovo.com or grab it at your local Best Buy. Also, there's another model which is the 10-inch. It's a little bit slightly bigger. Has pretty much the same features. Nothing really, that different. Display's a little bit better, but other than that, the resolution on it is 1920 by 1200, which is full HD. 8-inch, which is about 1280 by 800, which is reasonable for the screen size. You don't need 4K or anything like that. Anyways, the speaker is pretty huge. Used it, listened to some YouTube videos. It sounds pretty good. So, as you can see here in the video, I'm trying to plug this thing and trying to figure out. Yeah, it's a little weird. Put it in. Anyway, so I'll be right back. All right, I'm back now. So the display is on, Lenovo logo, and then I'll start setting this baby up. It's pretty snappy, and in my opinion, this is what these assistants should have been from the get-go. But I'm happy that Lenovo, even though it took them about 8 months after they announced it at CES to release it. So in order to set it up, you need a Google Home app on your phone, and basically just search for the Smart Display, which is what I'm doing right now. Yeah, it takes a little time, but it's not that hard. Um, there you go. It says the Google app, the Google Home app that I have launched, and the display is showing that they found a device, which you're looking at right now. And that's it. It's pretty easy actually. So while it's setting up, I would like to thank the folks at Lenovo for sending me the smart display to take a look at. Also, the review will be up in probably a week after I spend enough time with this display playing around with it. I can tell you that from initial setup and everything, some playing it with it a little bit. The can't play Netflix yet, and trying to figure out how to do that. I wish there was a micro SD slot or something you can flash things to this thing. So I'll play around with it and I'll figure it out as we go. Yeah, I wish they had that like a SD slot or anything like that so you can flash apps and all that. So there you go. So you set up the Google Assistant. Somehow it changed to a man's voice, a male's voice, instead of the usual smart assistant. Well, I mean Google Assistant's voice. So there you go. So actually, you have to verify your phone number and everything. Make sure it's you, and it's pretty easy. That's it. Up to that, you can set up your Spotify, of course, your Google accounts like YouTube, Gmail, calendar. Um, that's about it. Yeah, as far as I know, that's it. So you can actually scroll to the left, and that will actually take you to Google Music, YouTube, and I'm trying to play around it. You can set an alarm. You can find recipes, manage your photos, check the news, dictionary. You can make phone calls, of course. Control your lights, smart smart lights like the Philips Hue. Play an audiobook. There's a bunch of things you can do. This thing, yeah, pretty much everything what your phones can do, except that this is stationary. You can check it out while you're cooking a meal or just while you're on your desk, and it can give you an actual additional display. You can watch a YouTube video while doing work or stuff like that. Um, so yeah, so it's pretty much just a Google Assistant on a display. Um, yeah, as you can hear, I'm playing around with it right now. But you can play trivia, um, financial markets, traffic, find calm. Um, but I mean, there's a bunch of things. There's channels like you can see here: CBS, HBO, Stars, and here's where you put your phone number. Yep. So yeah, so far it's only these fours are showing on, let's say the automatic apps that would work with the display. Pretty sure you, just like me, want to see channels like Netflix and stuff. Anyways, so this was a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Smart Display. This is the 8-inch model. It is available now. Check out our review, which is coming in the next week. See ya.